File Explorer in Windows 11, restoring tabs after reboot. Microsoft has introduced a new feature in Windows 11 File Explorer that remembers the tabs you had opened before rebooting your computer. This update, available in Preview Build 22635.4580 for Windows Insiders, enhances productivity by restoring your workspace effortlessly after restarting. What's new? Previously, File Explorer only remembered open windows, but now it goes a step further by retaining tabs. This feature is particularly useful for users who work with multiple folders and need a seamless continuation of their tasks after a reboot. How to enable tab restoration in File Explorer. Follow these simple steps to enable this feature. Open File Explorer. Launch File Explorer by clicking its icon in the taskbar or pressing Windows+E. Access options. Click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of File Explorer. Navigate to Folder Options. Select Options from the drop-down menu. This will open the Folder Options dialog box. Enable Tab Restoration. Go to the View tab. Scroll down and find Restore Previous Folder Windows at Logon. Check the box to enable this feature. Apply and save. Click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Why use this feature? Saves time, automatically resumes your previous workflow after rebooting. Improves productivity, reduces the hassle of reopening tabs manually. Customizable, you can easily turn the feature on or off based on your preferences. This small yet impactful feature is a step forward in making Windows 11 more user-friendly and efficient for multitaskers. Try it out and enjoy a smoother workflow.